Have you dealt with an ever-multiplying chart of accounts just to get to the metrics behind transactions? How easy is it to decide which account to use, fix errors during the close, allocate expenses and revenue, or report on that chart of accounts? What happens when you want to filter transactions by multiple factors? Andrew is the head of finance at a growing company that sells alarm systems and installations. He and his team need to understand where they were making money and where they might be struggling. They had multiple product lines, different levels of service, and multiple departments. On their old accounting system, they had to create a whole series of accounts for each of these aspects of their business. At the end of each period, they exported data to spreadsheets and began the long process of filtering to analyze the business impact behind the transactions. The executive team recently launched a marketing campaign and sales initiative, and now they want to see financial impacts on a weekly basis. Fortunately, the finance team recently moved to Sage Intacct. Unlike their previous process that took days, they can now get at the requested metrics in minutes. At their core, Dimensions enable them to independently tag transactions. Instead of hard-coding individual accounts, they slice and dice financial information to create more focused analysis. For the weekly marketing review, they produce sales by item and department. Andrew can also use Dimensions to show sales by a particular item and customer. Because they track municipality as a user-defined dimension, on each installation they can see where they get the most traction, allowing marketing to choose the best locations for billboards. When it's time for period close, the lean chart of accounts means fewer adjustments to make. They use Dimensions with dynamic allocations to proportionately distribute cost across dimensions like department. The company closes the books in record time and quickly delivers key financial reports to the executive team. Sage Intacct offers a wide variety of predefined dimensions. Andrew can enable department, location, customer, vendor, employee, item, class, contract, project, and warehouse. The last three apply to contract, project, and inventory modules. He can also rename and repurpose predefined dimensions or create all new user-defined dimensions. For instance, a not-for-profit organization might work with various funds. They can rename the class dimension to the fund dimension and use it to track revenue and expenses against different funds. By tagging multiple dimensions as they enter transactions, his team captures more granular operational and financial data tailored to their business. They even create groups within dimensions, like grouping customers by industry, and then breaking out reporting by those groups. See how you can put the power and flexibility of Dimensions to work in your organization by scheduling a live demo of Sage Intacct today.